Guys, I'm Sarthak and today I make a sword with these blocks. So please subscribe our channel, like and share. So first we take this block, the big one block. Guys, see, this is a sword. We make it. So see the recipe. First we take this small block and this big one. We combine this and we take 4 blocks. Yes, see this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blocks. 4 blocks and 5. This is 5 blocks. And this is the down one. Hui. So we take this block and stick it. And then this block, this block, this block. You make any color block. I am using this blocks. So we take a smaller one block and stick it this. The sword is ready to fight. So bye bye guys. You enjoyed the video. Bye guys. So you like the videos. So please subscribe and share. Bye bye.